boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Nick Jonas here with Gut Punch. Yes, and this one is a cool song. We have different techniques here to handle. We have this picking very easy picking pattern here in the intro, and then pretty much straightforward downstrokes, a little bit of rock style. So that's what's going on here in this song. Let's learn this together and look at the fretboard here. capo on first, absolute best scenario there. So place that on and let's go into the 4 chords needed. Only 4 chords, okay? So we're gonna look into the C, G first. That's a C chord but with this G note added. So I place my ring finger on 3rd fret E string, then my little pinky on 3rd A, and then my mid finger on 2nd D, then open G, index on 1st B, and open E. C, G. And next chord will be the F. So that's a bar chord, index finger on the 1st fret. You push down all strings there as a bar, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Next is A minor. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E. And finally, we have the G, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So let's go into that intro, and that is one round I just showed you in the introduction of this tutorial, and you're gonna play 2 of these rounds, okay? So we're gonna play 2 notes simultaneously, okay? That's what's going on here. So we're gonna start with 3rd fret A together with 1st B. Then you're gonna play 1st fret E string in the bass together with open G. Then you go back again to that 3rd A, 1st B. Then you're gonna play 1st E string in the bass together with 1st B. Then open A and 1st B. Then comes this 3rd E in the bass together with 3rd B. Then just open high E. And then open E in the bass together with 1st B. And then 1st E in the bass together with 1st B. That's the end. Then you have a pause there, a longer pause, and then you start all over again. And I just want to mention the part where you're going to play 3rd E in the bass together with 3rd B. From there on, you're going to play a little bit faster there, so like that, okay? All the other pauses in between will be like this, so like this, okay? So and now comes the part that goes faster. And then a huge pause there, and then you start all over again. And so on, okay? So after the second time comes this main part that I'm going to show you right now. And now you're going to play downstrokes, okay, and full chords. And the strumming pattern I use is, if you go to the C, G chord, that's the 1st chord, 4 downs. So and focus here more on the bass strings than the top strings, but of course not only the bass strings. You can go down to the mid like this, but don't go too much down here on the higher strings. Focus on the bass and mid area like that, okay? So we also need to divide this into 2 different parts, because at the bridge later on at 2 minutes we're gonna split this strumming. So the first part will be the first 2 downs, and of course you finalize this with the next 2 downs. So one round is 4 downs. That's the strumming pattern. Now, the main will be CG, 2 string rounds, F, 2 string rounds, A minor, 2, and G2. Let's try it out for a couple of rounds. C, G, F, A minor, G, 2 string rounds per chord. Again, C, G, F, A minor, G. So that is the main pattern. Then at 2 minutes sharp comes the bridge. And what you're going to play here is A minor 2, G2, then F3 plus part 1. So that means almost 4 full rounds. So 3 full rounds plus 2 downs. Then you quickly shift to G and play part 2. The next 2 downs on that 4th round. And then you'll play the second half, which will be A minor 2, G2, and F4. Okay, so almost 2 similar halves there. The only difference there is the first half you split that 4th round on the F with F and G. So let's play that together. A minor 2, G2, F3 plus part 1, and G part 2. Then A minor 2, G2, F4. After that bridge comes the same chords as you play in the main, the C, G, F, A minor, and G. You're going to play just 1 down per chord, okay? And the pauses in between these downs is as if you would play 2 full strung around, but you don't. You just play 1 down. So C, F, A minor, G. And after you finish that, you actually go back to that main C, G, F, A minor, G with the strumming and play that till the very end, guys. And that is how you end Nick Jonas' song called Gut Punch. So I hope this felt helpful, better than a gut punch actually. And not too hard, guys. Only 4 chords. We have that intro, very slow and easy to get a grip of. About 2 notes simultaneously, and then go into that main, pretty much downstrokes, and that's it. So yeah, hope that helped, guys. And if you did, feel free to give me a like on this one. Maybe comment if you think that something's worth to mention. And be back here for next upload. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.